Meaning of Ian Smith.
Ian Smith.
Ian Smith.
Ian Smith.
Ian Smith. Ian Smith is a name that refers to a former Rhodesian politician who served as the country's prime minister from 1964 to 1979. He was known for advocating for white minority rule in Rhodesia and resisting efforts to transition to majority rule. Smith's policies were highly controversial, with many accusing him of perpetuating racism and discrimination against black Zimbabweans. His legacy continues to impact Zimbabwean politics and society today, as the country struggles with the aftermath of years of colonialism and unequal treatment under Smith's regime.